Hey, did you know that you can manage Google search grants completely in-house without massive agency management fees? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to thinking how complex Google search ads are to set up and maintain. And while this is valid, I'm going to share with you 3 deep secrets today that are going to help you think differently about Google search ads. Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm a Google Ad Grant Specialist who has helped charities all over the world maintain and drive consistent traffic to their websites utilizing Google search grants. So what is the secret strategy to Google Ad Grants? Well, it's setting up best practice implementations from the start, it's nailing your target, and it's putting together really hardy keyword research to help your organization drive your mission statement. So I'm going to share with you 3 top secret tips about how to manage your Google Ad Grant account to drive consistent traffic to your site. And I know what you might be thinking, oh boy, I just don't have the knowledge of Google search and I'm not really good with tech. Well, I'm going to show you 3 super easy, super straightforward tips to help you think differently about your Google search grant account. So the first secret is great keyword research. So the big idea here is to find keywords that have low competition but high search volume. And what these golden nuggets are called is long tail keywords. So when we utilize long tail keywords in our Google search grant accounts, we will ensure that our ad will show up when a customer or a potential donor is searching for that keyword. The second secret is brand keywords. So brand keywords are simply keywords which include your brand name in them. Seems simple. So the main thing here is our brand keywords are going to have the highest quality scores and the highest rank in the auction. So when we include brand keywords in our Google search grant account, we will ensure that when someone types in our brand name, that we are positioned in #1 spot for that ad. And the third secret is automated rules and/or massive time savers. So the main thing to understand is that with automated rules in your ad grant account, you can make sure that your account remains compliant and runs in the background so you're completely hands off. This is key because we don't want to lose our ad grants or $10,000 in free advertising for our organizations. Now I know what you're thinking. It's going to take way too much time for me to rebuild or reawaken my ad grants account. Well, the tricky bit is with this, once you set up best practice implementations, you have really great research and good automated rules. For the most part, your account will run itself for the next few months with little to no ongoing maintenance. And so I've created the Google Ad Grant Accelerator course to help you set up your Google Ad Grant account to run on autopilot. What makes this so special is that over time you will have consistent traffic to your website, which will hopefully result in more donations for your organization. And so what this is going to do is it's going to help you set up your Google Ad Grant account according to best practice implementation to basically run on its own. And I, your teacher, who has helped countless organizations all over the world increase, double by triple their ad grant spend utilization, I am going to teach you the strategy and the optimizations behind how I did it. So what I've done is I've put together a 5-module Ad Grant Accelerator course combined with a group coaching component. If you click the link, you can get exclusive access to the pre-sale of my Google Ad Grant Accelerator course. Pre-sale rates are only for the first 15 people that sign up, so get in quick because once the quota fills, the price will increase. So click the link to get in while spots are still available. I'm always here to help and share the amazing transformation stories of helping not-for-profits that were struggling with their ad grants accounts just like you are today. So I do hope you join me. I cannot wait to see you on the inside and have a great day.